What in your hand?
Fire engine.
Show from the back.
Huh?
Looks like a truck.
Oops.
I think it's a truck.
Yes, fire engine truck.
Oh yeah. What's special on a fire engine truck?
The rope.
What?
Rope.
Rope. Ah. What does the rope do?
What? What?
It's a water pipe.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And
Ladder.
Oops.
What's the water pipe for?
The fire.
And fire? How does it? What does it do? What does the fireman do with the water pipe? Tell me. What does the fireman do with the water pipe?
It tears the pipe to the fire.
And what's a ladder for?
High building.
High building?
Yes.
Hmm.